Hey friends, we're going to work on some Christmas projects. It's going to be here before you know it. I'm painting the base. This is just some scrap wood I had. It is going to be timeless teal from Rethunk Junk. So I just get a coat on that. The Christmas tree, I believe, came from Hobby Lobby, but I can't be sure. I got it a couple years ago. It probably came from Woodpecker Crafts, so I'll go ahead and put their tag in here. I painted the trunk nice brown, and then we're using the tile from the Dollar Tree. I love these tiles. They're so fun to work with, and they make everything just a little touch of vintage. So I'm going to trace on the backside. Then we're going to cut it out. And if you've used these before, you know there's only sticky part around the edges, not in the center. So it makes it nice to cut it out that you don't have all that gunk on your scissors. And I even save my scraps because I use them for other things. You got a whole half sheet you could use for ornaments. So once I do some fixing, we'll line it up, take that backing paper off, and then we're just going to hot glue it down. I'm using Sure Bonder hot glue, and it does get warm. So we're going to do some dry brushing with some black, Midnight, and some cotton. I'm trying to imitate a rustic vintage look. That's a synthetic chip brush, and we're going on it with cotton. I didn't wait for the black to dry, so I do have a little bit of a gray hue to it, which is fine. That's what I was going for. I used cinnamon sticks to cover the brown. I used one stick, I cut it in half, and that was the same width of the trunk. We'll hot glue those on, and I've got rusty stars to go on the top. So I put some beads on there because these rusty stars are concaved on the backside. So they're actually going to stick to the wood bead because it wouldn't lay flat on the star that's there. Now we're going to glue some scrap wood on the back to get it to stand up. We're going to add some fabric for a bow. And it really is that simple. There's so many possibilities with these tile trees. Hot glue it down, and we have a cute little piece you can set on the mantle. Happy crafting!